Hi, this is Ivan with Simple Sheets. In this video, we're going to do a step-by-step tutorial of our SWOT Analysis Template. This is one of over 100 pre-built and smart templates that we offer. Click the link in the description and try 5 free templates before you buy. Before we get started, help us grow our channel by giving us a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and by subscribing to Simple Sheets. The introduction sheet contains a short description about this template. Over here, we have a customization difficulty, an explanation of the sheets that come with this template, and some instructions on how you can utilize this template. At the bottom, we have a short guide on using our templates with compatible online services. A SWOT analysis is a great way for companies to evaluate their competitive position, acknowledging both strengths and weaknesses, and assessing threats and opportunities in order to create strategic business decisions. We start in the SWOT analysis sheet. On the left-hand side, input the various elements for your SWOT analysis. Input here your strengths and their corresponding grade from 1 to 5, 5 being the highest. So 5 is the strongest strength, weakest weakness, biggest opportunity, and greatest threat. You will see your inputted data in the area to the right. In this sheet, you have a full screen macro button to hide your ribbons and a clear data button to empty your data area. Be careful though, as changes done by macros cannot be undone. In the SWOT competitive matrix sheet, you will see your company SWOT analysis details already there. All you have to do is assess your competitors for the same criteria and grade them. Then it will show our rankings against them in this column. You have an area where you can write a short action plan in order to improve the grades of our company and the date. That's all for this template. If you want to automate your Excel processes and enhance your level of productivity, Simple Sheets Advanced Templates and University is the best tool out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.